Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we are approaching two very important economic events, and a CPI is coming this week, and Bitcoin is sitting right above the 50-week moving average, which usually is the bull market support throughout the entire cycle. So right now we can see we had a week below that, but currently we are about to have a weekly close above that level. If I open the daily chart, you can see as well we are trying to form some kind of bottom here, and possibly we can go ahead and at least try to retest this 200 EMA. But of course, as I said before, any push before the CPI and the OPEX, can be easily rolled over. If I open the 12-hour chart, you can see this is kind of a bottoming process right now. Market is trying to find a momentum to the upside, but of course, it is Sunday again, and the weekend pumps usually getting rolled over very soon. And if we consider that CPI is coming out on Wednesday as well, so things can get really ugly sooner than you think. In my opinion, this cycle is over, as I said, and we are missing some very interesting indicators I will speak about in a minute. So right now I will expect it to retrace maybe up to the mid-level, maybe 178,000, but I don't see anything above that. If I open the liquidity map, you can see as well this liquidity around here up to 108,000 level. So yeah, my main point for today's video is USDT dominance. I want to show you something interesting to me, and yeah, look at this weekly bullish divergence right on the ATR oscillator, and more importantly, the first time we had this weekly squeeze, it was a fake out. Look at after that we had another leg down on the crypto market, which is obviously inversely correlated with USDT dominance. And after that we had this bottoming process, since right now we are very close on having another squeeze. And I think this time it cannot be a fake out, because fake outs usually, especially on a weekly basis, don't happen twice or more. So it usually happened once, and it already happened. So right now we are still in compression. There is a chance we can roll over again, but it is very much unlikely. And I think this time USDT dominance will go ahead and have another squeeze. My first target again is this 6.2 and up to the 7% level, which will of course indicate Bitcoin losing the 50-week EMA for sure, and of course hitting below 90,000 even. So minus 30% is 88,000 for me. This is the level I'm expecting to see the bottom, local bottom, before that final retracement and the bear market. There is a chance we won't even have that huge retracement to the upside, of course, but yeah, it will be very good to have some kind of at least 20-30% retracement to the upside, so Ethereum can have time to run to new all-time highs. So on the Ethereum side, same. So we are seeing Sunday pump. You can see we are right at this supply and demand level. Maybe it's possible we can have a retest of this midline of this range from 3.7 to 3.8 thousand level. And we will see what's going to happen after CPI, because usually after CPI we are having a momentum change. And yeah, so we will see what's going to happen in 3 or 4 days. Sunday pumps usually are illiquid and getting rolled over very soon. So make sure you follow the USDT dominance chart. It's very important to understand the health indication, the healthiness in the market. And before I let you go, I want to open the Bitcoin dominance too. So we are seeing on a weekly chart another rejection, and in 5 hours we'll see the weekly close. It is possible it's going to be red, but I don't think the Bitcoin dominance is done. I think we will have another push to the upside before we have that alt season like thing. I'm not sure about alt season, but I really hope Ethereum can have some run up, especially after we saw this huge Zcash 10x in just 2 months. So this is a red flag again about the cycle. Zcash usually runs out when the cycle is over, the cycle top is in. So yeah, a lot of, as I said, red flags. Let's hope that we will have time to see alt season like thing when Ethereum makes new all-time highs. So stay tuned. I will try to update again. Bye.